might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you 'cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, 'cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you 'cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, 'cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want
hair is so bomb. Like, I can't even believe this hair came out this good. But let's just go ahead and get to the hair details. So the name of the hair company, guys, is OUTRE, and you can actually find this hair company in the beauty supply store, or you can purchase it online. I'll go ahead and show you guys what the labeling looks like. The hair that I'm wearing, as you guys can see, is the natural straight hair in 24 inches. And here's the detailings for the lace closure, just in case you guys need to see. The closure is probably my favorite part about the hair. I couldn't believe how nice the closure was. So this is pretty much the look, sis. This is pretty much the look. I will be leaving all of the detailings about this hair in the description box below, so you guys can check that out. Also, make sure you guys go pick up you some OUTRE hair. Like, get you some. Before you guys leave out this video, you already know what I'm about to ask you to do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please. Pretty please. And turn those post notifications on, boo, so you can never miss a video. Period.
I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous.